Okay, well I thought I was filming putting these up, but I just checked it and I wasn't, so this is the real thing, all right. We're in a real bathroom. Okay, so take two. I've fitted it. I had to trim that hole out a little bit bigger. That's perfect. That's lovely. All good. What I want to do now is go straight up here. I'll get prepared and I'll come back to you, because what I do here is put in nails to hold my tiles up until, and then I'll wait a couple hours and then I'm able to do my aluminium. We'll see you soon. This is how I do around my windows, people. When I'm doing aluminium, I hold it up with a nail. I make sure I do it first thing in the morning. If this is sort of to finish my bathroom, I've got to go around the top yet, but that's nothing. All this has to be sort of semi-dry or holding itself up, so I can do my aluminium and hang these pieces, if you dig what I mean. So I've got to get this up fairly soon in the day. Put a bit more on there. Turned around, put my cut edge down. Wipe the glue on my t-shirt. Yep, right. All my shorts. Bring that out just a little. Okay, so it wants to sit there pretty tight. Okay, that's all right. Clip it up. See how it's got something to sit on? That's the best way and the quickest way I know how. I've measured, where's my other one? I've measured across 600, 600, 600. Nice. Good. So you go by feel. It's up above my line of sight, so you just feel it. Yep, that feels good. Clip it up, press it in. I feel that. Yep, that's good. What I should do is, I've gone straight up there, but I'll pull that off and put in a full piece like I've done there, and there, and there, because it's a scene. It's a scene as you walk into the bathroom, you see it. Sometimes behind a door I go straight up, because you never see behind a door. You're coming in like here, I'm going straight up there and then a full piece in there. That though you see, so I need to change that. Okay, so I'll pull that off, put in a full piece, and I'll come back to you. See you soon. Then I'll show you shortly how I do the aluminium and stick that up. I've gone for a like it's dead flush, so, and I'll be using silicone or polyurethane, and you rub it on and it's an instant stick. I won't be packing out. Okay, this is a real bathroom done by a real tiler, people. We'll see you soon. Yo.